Hey guys, welcome to Tasty Buds. I'm Ramya here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a perfect kashayam. To make perfect kashayam, all you need is I have taken 2 tablespoons of dhania, heapful of dhania, 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. Here you can see this is dry ginger, which is also called as shunti. This is lavang, 8 to 10. 2 tablespoons of jeera, 2 tablespoons of ajwain, 6 to 7 cinnamon. This I doesn't know the perfect name. It is called in Tamil Kandandipli, which you get in all herbal stores, and a teaspoonful of turmeric. So once again I am showing you the ingredients. Please have a note. So these items are to be well dry roast and powdered to consume daily into our life. You can consume in the morning and as well as in the evening this kashayam. So as you all know that we are running under pandemic diseases and we need to take all these kashayams into our body to protect ourselves and to keep away from all the germs infecting our body. So this is the right time for all of us in the world to consume all these spices. These are all Indian spices to be consumed by everybody into our daily lives. We can add all these into our daily routine food, and also we can consume in the form of kashayam. So now I will be showing you how to powder all these items togetherly, dry roast, and how to take it. Please be watching. So into the kadai I have added dhania. So it has heated up. I am dry roasting it now first. Next I will be adding the rest of the ingredients, because this dhania takes a bit time other than pepper and jeera. Only few seconds are enough to dry roast. No need to dry roast too much. Now I am adding peppercorn. Please follow the same procedure everybody and try to do this and try to consume this every day, because consuming spices every day, a teaspoon into our daily diet or could be in the form of kashayam, is very helpful. I am adding cinnamon, Kandantipli, and do not forget to subscribe my Tasty Bud channel, since I am seeing everybody are not focusing my channel. So please focus and like, share and subscribe. I am adding jeera now. If you have any language problem, you can just comment me through the comment section so that I can find any of the options to it. I am adding now dry ginger, which is called as shunti or inji in Tamil. I am adding now ajwain. So the turmeric should be added when you are boiling this into a hot water, not to this. ingredients. So need not dry roast too well, just lukewarm, and add it in the mixer jar. So the ingredients are getting roasted well. I'll allow it for few more seconds. Then I will transfer it into the plate. Once the temperature cools down, I will grind it in the mixer jar. So it has been dry roasted well. The peppercorns need not to be dry roasted too much, need not allow it to pop up, just roast it. This ginger, this has to be made into powder by using some stone or something. Make it in the powder form and add it into the mixer jar. Instead of this ginger, we can also use this Everest dry ginger, which is available in the Indian grocery shops. So our kashayam powder is perfectly done and ready now to make kashayam. You can use 1 tablespoon of kashayam powder to get the results. By adding 1 tablespoon of kashayam to 1 glass of water can be consumed by 2 to 3 members. And my advice is not to buy any of the kashayam powder which is available in the stores, since in the stores they will be adding some third grade qualities of ingredients and spices. So I advise not to buy kashayam from outside. Make in your home itself with the ingredients what you have, as I showed you now, which will give you an 100% result and effective and very strong kashayam. Now into the vessel I am adding 1 glass of water in this. Once the water get boiled, I'll be adding the kashayam powder. So into the boiling water I am adding half a tablespoon of kashayam powder. This powder can be consumed by 2 persons. Now I am allowing it to boil for few seconds, since the essence which is there in the powder should be emitted well into the water and combined. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and allow it to boil for few seconds. When it's well boiled, I will add milk. To this boiling water, I am adding a small piece of jaggery. No need, it will get dissolved as it is. Even you can add sugar, but preferably adding jaggery is the best. So once the kashayam is boiled well for few seconds, now I am adding milk into a small glass, half a glass of milk to it. So the kashayam has been turned into golden yellow color. Mix it well and allow it to again boil for few seconds and pour it in the glass. The kashayam is well boiled. So the water which we have poured 1 glass should come to 3/4 or half glass of water. It should get well cooked with all the ingredients. It should come in the form of 3/4 or half a glass. Then the kashayam is perfect to drink. Our kashayam is ready now to drink. I have added 1.5 glass along with milk, water and milk. So it has come to 1 glass of kashayam, and the impurities have been drained through this filter which was in the boiling stage. This kashayam can be consumed by, in this glass, 2 members. So please follow the procedures which I have prescribed. This kashayam powder shelf life will be for more than 20 to 25 days. You can store this and can consume it. So please like, share and subscribe to my Tasty Bud channel for more recipes. Your support and love is to be with our channel to move forward. Thank you.